Guys, I am so close to hitting 1 billion honey. We are almost there. As you can see how much honey I have. I am so close to hitting 1 billion honey. I'm gonna do it in the pineapple patch because I collect double the amount of pollen with my tools because I have the glue on, and it's because my tool collects white pollen really good. And as you can tell, Noah is in the game with me. I'm gonna use the glitter. Oh, 990 million honey. 999 million so far. I am so excited because this is a big milestone for me because I've never gotten to hit this big of a milestone. 999 million. Well, I've never hit a billion honey in this game, so I'm gonna be super surprised and happy because it took me only a couple of days, like only today, and it was all because of the black bear quest, and I got to hit 1 billion honey super fast. And the black bear quest was Okie Pokey, the middle quest, I believe. The Rosefield one was the last one, and I was almost done with it, so I decided to do it. And there we go! I hit 1 billion honey without me looking at it. Well, I'm so glad I hit 1 billion honey in this video. I am finally at 1 billion after such a long time of playing this game. And if you guys are excited for me to make a video, this is just like a small short video to celebrate us hitting 1 billion honey. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my other videos, or sub to my channel and like the videos. But we hit 1 billion honey. Bye guys.